Split a gun story camera tutorial.
This is a little plot to illustrate how you can completely change the effect of a story by using the new camera movements. Note that this doesn't work for all scenes yet. Oh, and if you're wondering how to have more than one character in a scene, I'll teach you how to do that too. Well, that is to say, to create the impression of having more than two people. Isn't that what movies are all about, after all? About creating illusions? So, here comes the plot as it would have looked in the old Plotagon.
The chemistry experiment. Do not try this at home.
Another boring chemistry class. Yeah, I hate chemistry.
Quiet. Attention, please. Today we shall do some experiments with water. Isn't that exciting?
Water. Is he serious? Are you ready for some action?
Absolutely.
Now all we need to do is wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Chris, come over here. Perhaps you'd like to show your classmates how to carry out the experiment.
Sure, Professor Dork. Just a drop of liquid nitrogen, was it?
Hey, kids.
As you can see, the plot is quite awkward because you can see the empty classroom, where in fact we want to have 4 students. Now watch the same plot using the new camera system.
The chemistry experiment version 2 with the illusion of multiple characters.
Another boring chemistry class. Yeah, I hate chemistry.
Quiet. Attention, please. Today we shall do some experiments with water. Isn't that exciting?
Are you ready for some action?
Absolutely.
Now all we need to do is wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Chris, come over here. Perhaps you'd like to show your classmates how to carry out the experiment.
Sure, Professor Dork. Just a drop of liquid nitrogen, was it?
Hey, kids.
As you can see, the story here really flows. You can achieve this by setting the camera to skip establishing plot. That means the scene will skip the general view of, in this case, the science class, and show the close-ups straight away. And there you have it, Plotagon magic. Not sure how to use the camera? It's really easy. Just click the camera symbol in the scene. When you do so, the camera will turn yellow, which indicates that it's active. In selected scenes, you can then choose from a number of options, like this. This is the establishing shot, so first you get a view of the entire scene before the camera zooms in on the character. This is the camera moving right. The longer the text in the dialog box, the longer the camera will take to move. And now the camera is moving forward, so zooming in. Again, the longer the dialogue, the longer the camera will zoom in. As you could see, the previous scenes were filmed from behind, yet this one shows my face. You can achieve this by choosing the peak at sunset scene, and instead of clicking on the camera symbol in the scene, click on the camera symbol in the dialog box, where you type your text and select Dialogue Mode. This will give you a close-up. In the same way, you can have the camera move backward. And it's also possible to change the point of view of the camera. In this scene, for example, I have the camera set up to move forward from the stone on the left to the edge on the right. As you can see, the possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment and give the new Plotagon magic a try. Happy plotting!